How's it going, YouTube? I just thought I'd make a video. I'm doing some repairs on this house, and I've had a few holes in the wall to fix. I guess the people that are living here had anger management problems, but I'm gonna show y'all an easy way to fix a hole in a wall, and it's a lot better than cutting sheetrock and and having to get some mud and texture and all that. What I do is I buy these at your local hardware store. You can you can go buy these panels. They're called sanitary panels. They're made out of plastic. And I'm gonna show you. I'm standing right in front of one right now. See, all I did, there was some holes in the wall right here where I'm putting my foot. And I just cut the sanitary panel to the size I needed. And they also sell some little trims for them. So, after you cut the size you need of the hole, to cover up the hole, you just get the you get the trims, and you wrap it with the trim, which is real easy. And that's it. I use some shears to cut the panel, and I use the same shears to cut the trim to the size that I need, and it makes it looks good. I think it looks good in my opinion, and it's better than having to get sheetrock involved and taping and floating and doing all that. And this place I'm working on, it's had a history of holes in the wall. Here's a real big one I used. I used a whole sheet of panel. I'm trying to back up so you can see it. This is a whole 4x8 sheet. There was some massive holes on right there where the sheet's at. And I just covered it up with this. This is a quick little 20-30 minute job, and if you try to do it with drywall mud and all that, it'd probably take longer. It's complicated because you got to mix mud and cut holes and wait for it to dry, put texture on, paint it. It's a lot easier this way. And then go over here to the side. Right here where there's another repair I had to do. These people had a dog in this living here too inside, and it thought it wanted to, I don't know, I guess it was just trying to dig a hole in the wall. So I had to repair that whole spot right there. But I've done it so many times, it's gotten easy, You just go to the hardware store and you buy the sanitary panel. And it looks decent. It's got texture to it, not very much, but if you want to spend more money, they sell these FRP panels that are real nice, and they come in different colors. And it's worth it to me than having to cut sheetrock and do all that. Let me walk y'all over here. I'm going to show y'all some other repairs. Same thing though. See right here, there were some holes in the wall also. And here's the pieces of panel I have left. We'll walk into this room. I had some holes in the wall right there, and I used that. And I went ahead and repaired this too. This is in the bedroom, but on the other side, well, under this side, under this repair is the plumbing that goes into the shower of the restroom that's on the other side of this room. And this worked out real good because I used not only did I just use this panel, I bought some Velcro tape. So if I ever have to repair the plumbing on this panel, watch what I can do. Comes right off with Velcro tape, and I'll have access to the plumbing. Which helps out a lot. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This was just an idea, you know, if you have some holes in the wall that you want to fix, this is what you can do. See, I had a right here, there's a hole in the wall, so I just bought some caulking and I caulked it. You know, it looks bad, but not that bad at least, you know. But yeah. Well, anyways, since we mentioned the Velcro tape, here's some Velcro. Here's a Velcro tape job I did too. This little wood panel right here. It's really a door to get to the water heater. So I used Velcro tape to cover up the water heater, and as you can see, comes right off if I ever have to work on the plumbing in there. So just a couple ideas. It's a cold day in Texas. I hope y'all have a good one.